It is time to experience the streets of Woodfield vectors.
Vector! Oh yeah! That's not the other one. The other one has the weird logo.
Yes, I know.
Yes, yeah. Pretty sure the cat's close. Holy crap, it's a hot. It is a oven here.
Still a vector. Lantern was replaced.
Does this vect got you erect?
Perhaps.
Do you have a vection right now? An evection? Send this one up so we get the other car.
Really?
Yeah, it's a little pro tip.
It's fine.
Ooh, look at that!
That's so weird.
There it is. Someone put on perfume. Wow. It smells like a Macy's in here.
Vector motors are always so quiet.
Not really. I've never seen a Vector with a loud motor.
This looks like it's about to fall off. Oh, it opens this way.
Are the cold ones are placed on every floor?
No, 2 has original ones. Oh, what is that on there? Drink. Other way. Yeah, weird.
Oh.
Yeah, that shit dead.
Oh, the what now? LMAO, I'm dead.
Cabs are new.
It's just so freaking hot in here. Oh my god.
There's an original call button.
Oh, I didn't realize that was here.
And that will be it.